Hi, my name is Brandon Cartwright, president of Cartwright Painters LLC. We're located here in Milpitas, California, and we service the whole Bay Area from the peninsula, the South Bay, and into the East Bay. At Cartwright Painters, we offer interior painting as well as exterior painting. Now that goes for commercial as well as residential. So we work to beautify and transform our customers' properties. Some specialties that we offer include kitchen cabinet painting as well as vanity painting. We also can do wood staining, deck and fence staining as well. We also offer epoxy, so if you need that for a garage or a driveway or an outdoor patio, we offer that as well. And then we can even get into a little bit of drywall repair as well. So texturing all the way to painting, all the way to concrete resurfacing, we do it all. So history of Cartwright Painters, it really started long ago when I was a child working with my grandfather. He gave me a paintbrush and I took to it. I liked it, I listened to him. He was an experienced painter. He gave me a lot of knowledge that has come in handy now years later. I didn't always do painting. I was in the corporate world for probably 25 years in the management positions and kind of learned how a company should operate. Fast forward to 2020, I started Cartwright Painters with a small project of painting an interior of a home. We had one crew, but we did an amazing job, right? So now fast forward to today, 2026, we've got 4 crews out there working. We've got a full-time sales estimator. We've got a project manager. We've got diamond certification. We have all these beautiful things going for us. We're working with large car dealerships as well as small homeowners like yourself. And so we've really just taken that quality aspect and amplified it and created a system that I can be proud of. So that little dream when I was a kid of being a painter actually come to reality. And so that's a really beautiful thing for us here at Cartwright. So I was thinking back to a recent job that we had. We had a customer in Los Gatos, and their home was a very nice home, but it had not been well maintained for quite a while. So we went out to the estimate, we saw the paint was peeling. They wanted just a quick sort of low budget blow and go. And we advised them why that would not be a good idea, because obviously with peeling paint, you're gonna need to scrape that off. And after that, you're gonna need to also prime the house, you protect it. So that the next time they have to paint is maybe 15, 20 years down the road versus 2 or 3 years if you just do a simple paint job on top of that. So we work with them from every aspect of what we're gonna do each day, who's gonna be doing what on our team, what time we're gonna arrive, the selection of the paint, because that's also something very important, right? We're gonna go with the cheaper paint, the mid-grade, or the high end. And we discussed those options. And in the end, they selected Emerald paint from Sherwin-Williams, which is a top-end sort of paint. And it's not that much more expensive. So we worked out options. We like to give options, right? And they were just so amazed at the beauty of their home when they were completed. And in the long term, it actually saved them money. So that's a really kind of a good testimonial for us. And we aim to serve our customer that way and being an excellent provider of painting services. If you're in search of a painting provider, I highly recommend you to call Cartwright Painters LLC. We value quality, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. And we really look forward to working with you. We love what we do. Please give us a call, 408-831-2449. Remember, for a job done right, call Cartwright.